Now see. Now first we are going for slab portion. No? See, I'm going to level 1. I'm creating here one floor, that is structural. The screen is visible, no?
No,
Sorry.
I don't able
No,
to
sir.
see your screen. Only I have having a white display.
Hari,
Visible, sir.
Now
Visible,
it
sir.
is visible.
Ramesh.
Now it is visible.
Okay. Now see, I'm going to create one floor. Now you have to create here slope. Okay. So how we can get the slope? Just select this slab, and here we have modify sub element. Okay.
Maybe your network is slow.
My network is slow. It is
Maybe
visible
because it
clear.
is not only visible in the floor level. Whatever you are saying, that is not visible. Screen is
Hari and
not
Ramesh.
moving from my side.
Hari is visible or not?
Visible, sir. Everything is right,
Can
sir.
I rejoin? Can I rejoin?
Hi. Yes, you can join.
Okay.
Now visible, Vishakha?
Not yet. Maybe our side there is heavy rainfall, no? Maybe
Mm-hmm.
network is very poor from my side, maybe.
Okay. No, rainfall here we have also, but my network is okay. Now you visible, Vishakha? Now visible?
No, now it is visible. Maybe it coming slow from my
Hmm.
side.
Hmm.
You can continue.
Okay. Now see, you have to select your floor, and here we have option modify sub element. Click on it, and now you can change the slope at any point. See, just select the point here, and here we have 0 value right now. I'm giving, suppose you have to give the value in minus, or you want to give a value in plus. So your choice. I'm giving this side, suppose 200, and this side also I want to give 200. So it will by default taken, and now you can see into the section. I'll show you the section first. Now section 2 is sloped one. See, okay. But in case you have opening and you want from four sides your drainage portion, slope portion, then I show you in the next floor. Next, suppose I have one more. Okay, and in middle we have some opening. See, this is opening here, suppose. Okay, now we are going to back, and it is opening in the floor. Similar again, select this one and go to modify element. Here we have all 4 points. Now we have to give the slope in minus, suppose.
Okay.
Give this value minus 100. From all 4 sides, minus 100, minus 100, and minus 100. Now we can see in 3D. This is our sloped portion, sloped floor. Okay, see, it is sloped one here. Or you can see in the section properly. So I'm going to create one more section here. Section 3. This is visible now.
It is coming late. I can see after some while.
Okay. Now I think it will be there.
Mhm. I got.
Okay. Now, any other doubt?
No, no.
It's very easy. Just select and go to modify element. Or in case you have didn't have any point in middle. See here we have opening. So we have the point. All 4 points are there.
Mhm.
For some case you have to give some uh, slope here in this point. So you can add here one more point. Add here your split lines so that you can get the slope there also. Okay,
Mhm. Mhm.
so you can use them and try to use and then tell me if any doubt.
Okay. Thank you.
Hmm. Now next I'm going to show you how to create a ramp. Okay, then we go for staircase. Then we can see how to give the reinforcement there. Okay. See, for that we need to go to architectural tab, or we are going to open a architectural portion. Okay, because here maybe it will be not visible properly. This ramp, here we have this ramp 1. You can see the properties of it. We have only one type of ramp. Okay, just you need to click a line, create a line here. So you get the ramp here. See, I am placing one line like this, and we get the ramp here. Click on done, we get it. Now you can see in 3D what is ramp. In 3D it is not visible. No? Now we have to go for visibility graphics, and we need to on here ramp. Now see, it is visible. This is here. This is also sloped portion. This one. Now in this case, the width is 1000 Okay, it is going to level 1 to level 3. If you have any offset value, you can provide it here. You have to give suppose 1000 more from offset level 3. So you can apply. It is not taken. Why? Because it's complete right now. Okay, because I'm taking full length. That's why it is not going to your up to 1000 portion, 1000 meter, 1000 sorry. 1 second. Now. Now, hello. I'm audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now see, this is 1000 width. Now you can see from the top, this width is 1000 We can increase with changes in here. Okay. Or this level from 1 to level 3, it is giving here. Now, it is not filled. It is in air from the top. You wanna create a ramp with bottom filled. Okay. So what to do? So here we have go to edit type, and here we have shape thick. Okay, the thickness is 150 but I want to create bottom filled. Then here we have an option that is solid, and click on apply and OK. Now you can see the 3D. Now ramp is filled properly. See, it is from bottom now. It is not visible from here. Let's change the view. See here. It is now from bottom. It is straight. Okay, you can change the value. 1 second. Let me change the angle so that you can visible easily. Okay, so here maximum slope will be 1/39. That's why it is too low. I'm taking here 1/25. Now you can see 1/10. So you can see more. Okay, so you can see in 3D realistic view. It is like this. Okay, with thickness, it is giving you straight plate type or slab type. But like this, it is the solid one. Okay, this is the RAM. We can create easily. You can change the properties. Go to edit type and you change the properties here. Clear? Total length you can change, and see if you want to place it different way. Now this is a straight one. Now I need to change into suppose U shape. Then go for ramp. See, we have to go for first level to second level. Suppose now we can create one ramp this much, then second ramp from here this much, from third ramp here this much. So like this we can create our ramp. Click on OK to see it in 3D view. It is like that. It is with the solid one. Okay, or you want like a slab, then select it, go to edit type, use solid thick. You can use like this. Okay, here we have landing, then again ramp, landing, again ramp. Okay, we are giving the value here 1/10 ratio, so it is giving you like this. If we are giving 1/1, that means it is go to level 1 to level 2 directly. Okay, that depends on the slope value. Is that clear?
Yes.
Is that clear?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Now similarly, we can create our staircase. So here we have multiple type of staircase, but we have to choose generally the first one. By using this one, we can create our U shape, L shape, straight, any we can take. Now I'm going to level 1. Similar way you can create run straight like this. See, it is taken from level 1 to level 3. See, only 2 steps will be there because we have plinth level at 450 mm. So only 2 steps are there or 3 are there. See, 3 risers is visible. So that we need to change the value of levels first. I'm going to level 1 to level 2. Okay. Then try to create the maximum we can create 22 steps. If you want to go straight stair. If you want to use half and go to the by U shape, 11 and 11 you can take like this. See, it's created easily. Stairs also not visible in 3D. Go to visibility graphics and select here stair. Okay, but this is not a structural stair, so we can't create any uh, reinforcement in it. See, select it. There it is no option for reinforcement. See, so what we can do, we have to convert the staircase for in your structural stair. So you can select change the property here. Use monolithic stair. It is a concrete stair. Here, when you select it now, you can see here we have rebar option. So we can create the reinforcement for this type of stair. Clear? Suppose
Yes,
I
sir.
am taking one cross section here. I'm going to section 2 and see here we have stair. Now here we have to give the reinforcement suppose. So what we can do, just select and you can go for the reinforcement rebar. Yesterday I told you all these things. Now you can select any reinforcement you are talking about. Select that and you can place it on your stair. See, like this we can place. Or in a staircase, generally we are not using these predefined shapes. We have to create our own shape. So we have option here. See, sketch rebar. Here we need to create suppose direct one bar only, and like this we need to create total. So how we can use that? Go to sketch rebar, and then you can create your own by line. Reinforcement, sketch rebar, select your stair. Now we can able to create by line. Single bar. Okay. Then we can get that. Yeah. In a similar way, we can create the perpendicular bars also. How many bars are there? Just select this bar and we can change to maximum spacing. Give it here suppose 300 or 100 only. See in 3D, in wireframe mode, see the reinforcement is visible here. You have to create perpendicular bar. Same way you can go. Select your stair, go to rebar, And now we to choose perpendicular. See, rebar shape is visible here also. So this type of shape you are created, na, that all are placed in your family also. Perpendicular of it we can't use. We have to choose this one. Now we can use perpendicular as a dot C. So multiples we can create on here. Clear? Place it one. Now you can create not single. I need maximum spacing. See, here we have option. You can use maximum spacing reinforcement here. Here also. Here also. We can place. Okay. It depends on us which type of reinforcement we require. Now I show you first the staircase reinforcement. Type on the Google. Staircase reinforcement. See, all steps are reinforced. You can use this type of reinforcement. See, I'm trying to create this type of reinforcement, the straight one, this type. Okay, it's up to us. See which type of reinforcement you require. To any shape, we can sketch our own reinforcement also. Get it? Or you can try multiple types also. Now, suppose we have the slab, sorry, the staircase like this U shape without landing. I'll show you here. It is with landing. Okay, so we have to go to our architectural, and here we have in the staircase, we have this L shape without landing. Stair, L shape without landing. It is not created. Now it is here. See, the level is not perfect. That's why it is not created. Now level 1 to level 2, it is created without landing. Similarly, U shape you require, U shape is also there. Okay, you can see in 3D. See, here it is. But that is also architectural one. So change it with monolithic. See, that are changed now. You can see in 3D realistic. See, this type of stair you require. Now you can create a reinforcement for this. You can create a reinforcement for this. Okay. Now you can able to create the staircase. So suppose I want two-way staircase. Two-way means from here I want to go upside here also. Then what to do? So go to level 1. Go to staircase. I need this side more. Here also. the top portion. So you can select it, and again you can create the mirror here using your mirror command, draw axis, and you can mirror it. Okay, now see, you can able to create this type of stair, so that you can create the reinforcement here also. Okay, any doubt in the staircase?
No, sir.
Any other, any Shakha, any problem?
No, sir.
Okay. Now tell me, what is new we are going to start? Varsha and Nishi told me family is not going to start today, no?
Hmm.
They want also family portion.
Yes.
Okay. Now today we are going to create legend and schedule. Okay. Now suppose we have to create our how much reinforcement we are using here in this model. Here we are
Niranjan,
using it. Sorry.
Niranjan having one question.
One second. What question? Could we analyze the structure? We can, but that is not under this Revit course. Okay, because you have to create one plugin. We need cloud space for it. Okay, or Autodesk 360 to analyze this. Okay, here we didn't have any option to analyze. I can show you here how we can see the analytical model, what are the boundary conditions,
So,
how we get the supports, how we give the loads here. That I told you. But the running portion, how to analyze it, that is not available in this. For that, you need to use plugins. Okay. For analyzing, you can use StatPro, you can use ETAPS. That are you can get better results.
Can we able to transfer that file here also? CAD file or
No, no, no,
CAD
no. See,
modeling?
Revit is for modeling
Particular.
purpose. We can use.
In Tekla
Uh,
they
in
can insert.
StatPro, in
That's why I am
StatPro
asking.
ETAPS, we can create only analytical models.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Yes.
We can see in 3D when we giving the properties to them, but we can't export that into Revit.
Okay.
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 Okay then.
So I have one question.
Yes.
Are we doing template also? How to create template and then in that template what we need other things?
In the first class, I told you how to create a template.
Yes, yes. But in that template, uh,
Mm.
we can standardize our part, what we required for our project.
Yes, you can. See, you have to go to File and create a new template directly. Okay. See, right now we are in this template option is not there. You
If
can
we
directly
open
create.
project,
You can open any blank template. You can save your file as a template. See, here we have option. Whatever you are giving to your template, you can save your file as a template for future reference, so that you can use every time your template. That will be, you have to add also here in recent page here also. See here you can add. Okay, these are the by default template. You can create your, and you can add into here, and you can use it every time, your template directly.
Okay.
Any other doubt?
No.
Okay, see here, from here we can cascade our window. Okay, which project we want to work with, so you can select from here. And if there is a multiple files are open for the same project, see project 1 3D, project 1 structural plan, project 1 section, so that are duplicate views basically. So we can close by this, that duplicate views. Now we have only one file for each. Okay, or you want to see all together, so we can use here this Windows option. See, from here we can switch also. Now suppose we have one floor plan view, one section, one second level plan. Like this we have all views open together. See, now I want to see all the same time. So we have here option. See, you can switch your window from here also. Or here we have tile object. Tile means all are visible in the same page as a tile. See, so we can work with any mode in the same time.
Yeah.
Sorry, this is tile window option. If you want back to back, then you can use cascade. Or you want copy of it, so you can use replicate. Otherwise, you can use single object here. Okay. Clear?
Yes.
Now, what I'm saying is, what we are going to learn today, going to create here schedule. Okay, schedule for what? Schedule for reinforcement, schedule for columns, schedule for beams, schedule for foundation. How many are there? Okay, you have to go to create the sheet for it, so we can create all these things. Now the reinforcement, how much reinforcement? See here, area reinforcement will be there. Here some uh, foundation reinforcement is there. Here we have some uh, column foundation, beam foundation also there. Okay, beam reinforcement. So how much reinforcement are used? How much strips are used? How much straight length are used? We have to know. Then, so here we have option. See, you can go with the schedule. It's very easy to use. You can see here. Go to schedule and right click over there. Go for new schedule. Okay, and for which you wanna create, select your category here. I have to create for the reinforcement, so go for rebar, structural rebar. Here it is. Select it and click on OK. This is the category. Okay, click on OK. Now this category asking for the field. What you want to see in that particular schedule? So I want to see here bar diameter, bar length, bend diameter. These all three I want to see. So select and send to your schedule field. Okay, what next you want to see in that? I want to see end treatment, start treatment. I want to use hook at end, hook at start. I want to see its material, which material we are using, the maximum bar length how much, minimum bar length how much, quantity you want to select, or rebar set wise you want to select. If you have rebar number, you can use rebar number portion also. Shape you want to select, which shape we are using, how much spacing between them, that all things we can see. Now I'm going with these portions only. Click on OK to get your schedule. See, here it is. It is very easy. Just you have to select and you can see the bar diameter is 13 throughout. I'm using the same diameter reinforcement now. That's why here 13, 13, 13 in all. But bar lengths are different. Okay. See, the minimum is bar length, the maximum bar length, and which type of hook. In some portion we are using 90-degree, in some we are using straight. That means none will be there. And some are strips. See, this is for tying purpose we are using in the column and beams. How many quantity are there? See, 10 quantities here, 33 quantity strips are there. Okay, we can see like this, how much quantity we are using. Now, bend diameter here we have 80 throughout. We are not changing in the properties, that's why. End treatment is not there. In one there is a end treatment, threaded will be there. Okay, which material is this? ASTM. Or you want to change it, you can change it here also, as well as we can change into there also. Okay, whatever you are changing into 3D model, here it is by default changed. Okay, so suppose, see here we have all bar diameter of 13 mm. Now I'm going to change into one 3D view. I am change one bar diameter change. I want to change this one. Edit, I change it with 10 diameter. Apply, OK. Okay, now we're going to sheet again. Schedule, rebar schedule. Now see, oh sorry, I'm changing directly because I'm changing the same rebar throughout. Na? If you change the edit type property, you need to create a duplicate. I told you in the first class also. If you are creating any foundation, column, if you are changing in the edit type property, we need to use duplicate mode. See, I show you here again. Going to our 3D view. And if you are changing only this, so go to edit type and create a duplicate here. It is 13M rebar. Okay, that should be changed in 13. Now again I'm giving here 13 mm. This is 12.7 now. I'm not changing in by default values. Now you have to create for these three. So go for duplicate first. Give the name here 10M and 10M is already there. So I'm giving here 13M2 and change the value here now. Okay, now you can check into the schedule. All are 13. One second. What happened? This is 13M2. Edit type, it is 10 mm bar diameter. Okay. I'm going to rebar. See, here it is the 10 mm. It's not visible because all are 13. Na? One is 10 mm. See this one. This one is 10 mm. Okay. So whatever you are changed into your 3D model or 2D model, it is also reflect into your schedule also. Okay. Now you want to add total length of your bar. This one. You want total. So how we can take a total? We have to use here a calculator? No. We have the formula so that we can add them. See how to add. For that you need to go to the schedule properties here. In this we have option, field, filter, sorting, formatting and experiences. So first you have to go for sorting and grouping. Click on this edit. And now here you need to tick on this grand total. Please take a note of it, okay? You have to click on this grand total. Then you have to choose from here totals only. Then you have to go for formatting tab, or you can take a formatting edit here. Formatting tab, and what you want to add? Bar length I want to add. Select that and click over here. No calculation to calculate total and click on OK. See, we get a total here 143,970 mm. Total bar length we are using here. Okay.
Yes, sir.
This is basically BIM, building information. This is not about rebar only. You can create the schedule for any field. Okay.
Okay.
For column, for beam, different column you are using, different beam you are using. We can create the schedule for them also. See here, we have these all options. See, for window, for wall, for door, for rebar coupler, for massing, framing, foundations, for anything you can create your schedule. The same way. In the category, you want to select the feeds, what you want to see into that schedule. So you can select like this: bar diameter, bar length, bar bend diameter. These all types. These are known as field, and the rebar known as category. Okay. The total is known as schedule. I hope it is clear.
Yes, sir.
If any time anyone asks to you how much you are using in it, you can tell them. You wanna use weight also? I think weight will be there also. Volume you can calculate area. If you have rooms, you can calculate area and volume also. Okay. So that all things are covered under schedule. Now you want to show something. Like I want to place some uh, product and I want to show it front view, top view, right view, left view. I want to see. So that are known as legends. Okay, let's take it here. Go to legend and create any scale or any name. Now it's a blank sheet. Now here, how many you are using into your family? The components details you can create here. So how we can use them? You have to go to analyze. No, you have to go for annotate. In annotate, here we have option the component, legend component. So we can create the legend for the component. Legend component, and see, here we have multiple options for door, window, duct. Okay, for structural column, you want to place it high, top view, front view, so we can see the columns, different shapes. Okay, the universal column. Suppose I want to create H view. See, it is the view of this column. This is one more view. Now you have to show it alternate view. So here we have floor plan or front. See here, front view is like a line. Okay. Now you want to see, you want to show here. This is a steel column. Then you can use text button here, and you can type here. It is a steel column. Okay. Now you want to create one table type here. So we can use here detail line, and you can create a table type here. Okay, like this you can create your own table here, and how much legends you are using in it you can show. Again, I'm going to one more. I'm show you the door. You can select from here. So I'm placing one door. See, this is door opening only. I want to use door. All are door opening. So we are using structural one. Na? See, it is shown like this. And alternate view I want to show here. And then select your view, and you can change it by front elevation. See, it is shown by like this. This is opening. There is no portion, blank. Okay, so anything you can create in your legend. This is legend component. LOD means what is LOD in Revit and how much we will get LOD after completing this course. Please tell me the full form of it, Niranjan.
Level of development.
Level of development. How much we will get LOD after completing course means? If you are talking about how much your level to create a model, this depend on only you because you have to practice more. You can create, which I'm telling you now, you can create any kind of model, reinforcement, model structure. Okay. This is how we can create the legend. Because that legend, if you want to place in your sheet, the schedule list you want to place in your sheet, you want to place your floor plans in your sheet, so we have that, only then we can place it. Na? So now suppose I want to create one more sheet here. So you can use sheet, new sheet here, and we can go with the A1 here we have only. So by default sheet is this. Now we need to place our all views here. Legends, schedules, sections, elevations, and floor plan you want to place in the sheet, you can. So it is very easy. Just you need to do drag and drop. See, it is very high in the scale. It is placed in a single sheet now. You can select and you can decrease its scale factor. See, from here, you can reduce it. 1000 is very less now, 500. Okay, like this you can place and you can move anytime. Okay, this is floor plan. Now you want to see here one elevation. Select, drag and drop here. You can see its elevation here. You want to see your section view. Which one? Section 1. Place it here. This is your section view. See? Okay. Now next you want to place your legend. Place your legend here. Place your rebar schedule list. Place your rebar schedule list here. See, it is very big. It is not covered in your sheet. Then what to do? So you can split and you can move it. See how to split it? You can split into two parts directly. Just click on it, and here we have this double arrow. See, click on this. That's it. Split into two parts. Again, you want to split more, you can click it again, and the same portion you can split it. Now you can move it and you can place it anywhere. Okay, double click, you are into that. Is that okay? Now see, again I want to go to sheet. Here we have the sheet. You want to add it into your sheet, you can use, these all are available into the property bar. See here, approver, designer, checker, author, the sheet number, sheet name, issue date, all are here. You can just change the value here also, or you can change the value here also. Suppose I'm typing here Shirish. It is here now. Shirish is here. Run by Shirish. Okay. Who is the checker? So you can change the name, any name, anywhere you can change it in your sheet. You want to add it into your sheet, suppose, then double click on the sheet. We are the into the family. See, family portion we tell you later when all are there. Okay. Now in this case you can add it. Double click on it. We are into the family of it. Now here if you want to add it, suppose you want to add it into 4 parts. So I am creating the lines here. I am dividing my sheet into 4 parts, suppose. Now load into project again. Sheet is divided into 4 parts. And you can place your model in between that. Like this we can use. Okay. Any change. It is a line creation portion. You want to delete something. I want to delete these text labels. So you can delete. You can create your own labels. Go to create. Here you can place a dimension, text, labels. You can create. Okay. Into the sheet. You can edit anything. Again, if you want to go to edit and you don't want to change into this, load into project so that you are again in your model. Clear? Okay.
Yes.
Now try these all first. Then if you have doubt, then ask me. We have two things left only, the family and then your boundary conditions, supports and loads in your analytical model. And how to create the analytical labels also. Okay. That will be left only.
In this
Try it
bar
right now.
bending schedule. Hello.
Sorry.
In this bar bending schedule, here
Hmm.
only coming shape number. Actual shape didn't come.
1 second. See,
Only
shape names
coming
are there, na? See.
names are there, but is there able to see? We can see that shape, bar shape also.
You want to see the shape.
Yes, yes.
Okay, so you can create a legend for it, na? I told you the legend. See, in
Then
the schedule,
I-
the the visibility of shape is not there.
yes.
For that, we need to create the legend. Okay. You want to see the in generally in bar bending schedule, we have the shape uh, image also, na?
Yes, yes.
But now here it is not available. Let me check again. Go to this and go to field of it, and now you can check here image, uh, image. Uh, See here we have assembly code, description, assembly name, comments, cost count, deformation description, assembly family type, geometry. You can check geometry and can check image. Okay. Shape driven image is not coming up.
Mhm.
And more I want to check. Shape image is there also. Not added, I think. No? I'm deleting this one. Image, go back. Geometry, go back. Shape image. Let me check this one also. This shape image is also not there. None will be there. So you can check from the list, okay?
Mhm.
Hmm. Type image, we can check. It's not there. So we can use into the legend. We can create the shape there. Okay. Any other doubt? Any other doubt? Now do practice first. If you have doubt, ask me.
Yes.
Hello? No doubt? Have you tried? Hello? Am I audible?
Yes, yes.
Any doubt till now?
Till now, no any, but after a while more practicing, maybe I will ask something.
Okay, no problem. Okay then. Keep practicing, huh?
Yes.
We'll meet tomorrow.
Tomorrow at which time? Same time?
Same time,
Saturday
yes.
is tomorrow, no?
Same time.
Thank
Okay?
you. Yes, yes.
Okay, bye. Good night.
Bye. Good night. Thank you.